how to do this effect in Davinci Resolve. More exactly, I have a horizontal video and the entire project is on vertical, and I have a blurred background above the video and a blurred background below the video. So to do that, let's start from the beginning. I have to delete this one and reset back that one, and on the color tab on that track, reset that. So that's the clip which I have to modify, and I have to fill in with something the lower portion and the top portion of that video. So hold down the Alt key on the keyboard and duplicate this video. So Alt and drag it outside like so. Alt and click on it and move it up. Position it, let's say there. Now we have two videos here, this one and that one. And we have two audios also, this one and that one. We have to delete one of the audios so that the volume will not be too high. So Alt and left click on, let's say this one, and now backspace. Okay, now click on the video which is below, let's say that one. That's an adjustment clip, ignore that one in the middle. So we have to modify the one which is below. And to do that, come here to the inspector, video, and we have to modify the zoom, more exactly the Y. First deselect this symbol so that it will not modify both of them. Okay, now the X and Y are not linked together. Now drag the Y of the zoom and increase it until the sides touch the top, like so. So we just trashed the lower layer, that one. Now go to the color tab. Timeline has to be enabled. Timeline is this. Now the lower clip is this one. Make sure you are modifying that one. Click on it, and out of these use this water droplet and triangle, which is the blur, and modify the radius. Drag any of these numbers, let's see the blue, and notice the lower layer is being blurred. Now go back to the edit tab and the effect is ready. The original video is in the center and the top and the bottom is filled in with the same video, but it is blurred out.